Anyaya.
Anyaya.
Good morning everyone, this is your Ina for Ilocano News. La Ilocano News I should say. At datayo pala dito yung CIVIC Center iti Dingras, and with me is the very accommodating my mother, MILDRED FERNANDO. Hi Mama!
Good afternoon, sir.
Good morning, good afternoon na pala, and di kayo pinangnangan ma'am. Alam ko pala dating at chance nga mangtad kayo man iti may sa nga message because it's the Women's Month, and we are so lucky that we are holding the BHW Congress here in Dingras.
Yes,
It's
sir.
your time to shine, Mommy. Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I am also very happy and thankful to God that we are celebrating the first, second district Barangay Health Workers Congress. We're in a group of women, 2,000 plus members from different municipalities like Banam, and then so forth. Banam, Bebeera, Marcos, Pinili, Corimao, Batac City, Paway, San Nicolas, Dingras as well.
Ayan, imay amin nga BHW iti Ilocos Norte to support the BHW Congress, and what's so nice to see guys is nakaad-ado well represented iti municipalidad italikod mi kini Mama Mildred. So itatoy bigat what happened imay di kita dignitaries tayo
Grabe talaga po.
Sino ti imay ditoy?
Si Mang Pet ni Apo, our guest speaker, the Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. Next to him is the governor. Yes, imay Apo ditoy ni Apo Governor Matchom Joseph Marcos Manoto, the Vice Governor Madam Cecilia Araneta Marcos, and we also have with us our action man Geoffrey Pisagi, then his company, the Vice Mayor and the Sangguniang Bayan members, and the rest. Nandito pa rin po si Sir Gian Crisostomo, niya po MacArthur Aguinaldo. So as to the young handsome candidate for Bukal, niya po Rafael Chua Medina. Yes, sir.
So itata, ito no, after lunch, madamang amin ongoing, simultaneously every municipality, they are having their lunch right now, nagbalon dan, sapay wala dan ang provide. Nagbalon da, each one of them brought them with themselves pack lunch. Kitain nyo ti babae talaga nga ready to go. So later on, after lunch, Mami Mildred, anong mangyayari?
After lunch, we will be having the symposium. Like for example, from the Department of Social Welfare and Development, the role of BHW and women
Empowerment.
Yeah, because we are celebrating the Women's Month.
So it will be tackled by our MPS. Digiti kapulisan tayo deta.
Yes po, yes
wow. So we'll get to see the municipal Ma'am Tarsila together with his group, iti MPS Dingras headed by Police Major Julius Basalio. So message muna. Last message mo, and let's call it a day.
Thank you. Ganyaman nakaragtata ti suporta ni Apo Mayor Geoffrey Pisagi.
Yes.
Is Congressional Office ni Apo Angelo Marcos Barba, ni Governor Matthew Marcos Manotok, ni Apo Cecilia Araneta Marcos, the Vice Governor, and everybody, especially the different mayors of the second districts, because we're celebrating the first second district Congress for Women, especially the Barangay Health Workers.
Wow! So, nakadado ti mapasama ki dito, agmalmalam nga event, agmalmalam nga affair, awampay nagawid guys, and they are all excited para kidati symposium. Today is women empowerment, the violations na makumkumit iti women, maitakel pa deta. So, can we say, alisin natin yung formality, can we say, Mama Mildred, anyaya! Anyaya!
Anyaya!
Ayan. Thank you so much!
Welcome po. Thank you, Met Up.